says, "Love in a situation where a woman is alone, either in a dangerous area or at night, and a stranger approaches her for tzedakah. If she is concerned for her safety, what can she do? Is she allowed to ignore, or does she still have to worry about embarrassing them? Thank you."
No, she's allowed to ignore him and say, I don't have it. I'm sorry, I need to go. That's it. Yeah. I mean, especially in this situation, so you don't know who this person is. He might be very dangerous person, and you open a wallet, for example, you try to give him a dollar. They don't want the whole wallet. They want the whole bag. You understand? So have to be very careful with this. Right? Don't tempt anybody.